All right, good evening, everyone. I will call this public hearing to order. Tonight, we are having a public hearing on our sewer rates. This is in an effort to ensure that the system has adequate revenues to pay the cost of operation and maintenance. Tonight, the board is going to consider a change to the billing method from winter period average to paying based on monthly water usage. So in order to do that, there is a requirement that we have a public hearing, which is what we're having right now, and then the board will take this up at the regular meeting at 7 o'clock tonight. With that, I will now open this public hearing. Anybody who wishes to address the board during this hearing, you may step forward at this time. Seeing no one, I will close the public hearing. Mr. Patterson, do you have anything to add tonight for our public hearing?
No, but I'd be more than happy to take any questions.
Anybody have any questions at this time?
Maybe address some of the concerns that were raised by the constituent who has been emailing everybody.
Yes. What we're proposing does not have any effect on commercial, retail, industrial business. They are all currently being billed the way we're proposing to do residential. So they will stay exactly the way they are,
How long have they been billed on a per usage rate?
as far back as I can
As far-
find.
Okay.
So we're really one of the few cities that does any type of averaging. So,
Eric, wasn't this kind of spawned from DNR looking at the way we charge for, because it's a combined fund, that it's not, the way we do it is not really an adequate method for, we have to be sure they sustain, each
one-
thing has to sustain itself based on what it's taking in, am I correct?
correct, and if you look, the sewer side is being subsidized by the water side to about 600,000 a year.
Mhm.
So we will be required in the next 3 years to do some form of disinfection. It will probably be UV.
Mhm.
They want us to do it at both plants. So that'll be a substantial cost, and we'll probably end up looking at some sort of financing. At that time, we will have to prove to them that the sewer portion can stand on its own.
So this is actually very similar to the water, where we kind of got the run through there on making sure your rate structure is such that they're satisfied and they will loan you the low interest funding. So this is not changes made out of, they're changes made out of necessity, not out of, we just decided we wanted to change the way we build. This is a necessity.
Correct.
Correct. Okay.
Was this a finding from the audit to be corrected?
I don't remember the auditors looking at this fund.
Well, this came about after Eric's had a chance to look at what the numbers are, and we talked about this for probably a year now. It's coming, and then when we finally got the permits from DNR, and they stated in the permit, you will have to upgrade for your disinfection by the next permit period. So we knew it was coming, and we can plan for it, which is good on their part, because it gives us a chance now to make some adjustments now and not have to rush and do it immediately.
So if we want to qualify for some more of their loans, then this is what we need to do. Is that correct?
Mhm. Yeah, they're going to require our rate structure to be such that they feel we can make the payments now. We do benefit from already having those loans, and we've proven that when we propose a rate structure, they're more comfortable than they are with other cities saying, if they say they can cover it, we're okay with it. You know, they have different, usually they have, what is it, so much percent has to be on the front end of the bill.
Basically, what they want to see is all of your normal everyday operating expenses covered by your minimum charge. We are nowhere close to that on water or sewer.
Mhm.
We make almost all of our money on anything in excess of the minimum,
Mhm.
which puts a bigger burden on anybody who uses more than the minimum usage, but it keeps your rate extremely low for the little old couple on a fixed income who doesn't use 1,000 gallons of water a month.
Mhm.
When
They
we
see
got
the
our,
actual benefit.
when we got our last loan, wasn't this brought into question on the water rates at that time?
It was, and that's why we raised our water rates at that time.
However, we didn't have to raise them nearly as high as what they originally thought, simply because we were able to prove that we can meet our debt obligation doing it the way we do it, and
Right,
they
well,
were comfortable with that.
We raised our annual income the amount that they wanted, It just, most of it did not go in the minimum charge like they originally wanted.
I think that comes from a lot of cities they really don't have the revenues coming in, so they're required to put a charge on the front. And I think Peculiar might even have one. It says on there something about bond issue on their bill that shows how much of their bill goes directly towards that bond.
So, and the way we do things, like I said, it's great for the little couple who's on a fixed income and never uses more than 1,000 gallons. But the catch-22 on that is, if something happens and people quit using water, that everybody goes down to the minimum, we won't meet our bills. And that's really why the DNR and SRF would like to see your minimum charge cover all your daily operating expense.
Makes sense.
All right, any other questions tonight? All right, well, if there are no further questions, I will end this public hearing, we'll adjourn from it, and we will reconvene in 20 minutes for our regular meeting. Thank you.